let's really get some good thoughts on these final trades. Joe, why don't you give me a stock you like and why?
Well, I think when you look at financials, and listen, it's tough to look at financials right now. I was telling Pete Najarian yesterday, KKR, I think I bought the high print of that. It has been in free fall ever since. That's the private equity space. But JPMorgan, how could you not like JPMorgan at these levels? You and I are both long Bank of America already, but you're getting JPMorgan at
105, a little north of 105.
That's just a great opportunity, a name that I'm going to get into in the next couple of days.
Right. I mean, Mike Mayo was back with us, yesterday, really talking positively about the banks, which have had such a hard year.
The banks, I mean, it's such a difficult call with the banks because they have not performed, and there was the buyback thesis that was supposed to support the banks into the end of the year, and it hasn't.
And the higher interest rates, right?
And just go best of breed.
The higher interest rates, Joe, pushed people away from getting loans, right? I mean, a lot of people, not just mortgages,
loan growth,
but a lot of people just didn't go for it.
Loan growth has been punked for a while. The other thing the banks did is that they decreased the amount they put into their non-performance, right? Mm-hmm. And they pulled some out, which are the old tricks that drive the earnings. And I think the market looked through that, and that's why they performed. However, I still think there's a bounce left in them. Final trades I have today are two. I was going to say Citi, you took care of financials, are NVIDIA, but be careful, it's a market stock. But Cat's really been destroyed. They reported earnings, and the company is buying back stock. So that will give you that support.
Okay.
So Caterpillar's
all right, Doc, what do you got?
ATVI, Activision. Call of Duty 4 just killing it, Judge. But
that stock wasn't that stock at a 52-week low?
It sold off because of all the hype around Call of Duty 4. Huh. And even 3 days worth of selling did $500 million worth of sales. And everybody was saying, oh, we expected $600 million. Okay, I guess they just pulled that one out of thin air. But I think the numbers are going to be exceedingly strong for this one. And buying it at a low like this, I like that. It's already making a bit of a bounce today. Let's see if it continues.
What do you think of Tesla?
I like that, and as you know, I'm long it.
And you're staying?
Yes, I continue to write calls aggressively in here, especially after this big pop. I think it was 3:15 this morning. I thought it was a great quarter. Elon Musk is just continuing to surprise people, not just with his Twitter account, but actually with the performance here.
Before we get out of here, let's talk about Microsoft. That was a fantastic quarter. It's a company that keeps working for all of us. And I'll take Microsoft over Twitter, Tesla, any day.
Hey, we didn't even get to Twitter. How about Twitter? I got any takers?
No.
Why?
Look,
I was in a huge day.
Yep. Yeah, it's a huge day. Doc hit that, and he hit Tesla. Tesla quarter, I have no reason to say this. I don't trust the quarter. But Twitter is just not my kind of thing.
Good stuff, guys. Thank you.